Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. Again, we have a very beautiful project at the moment. It's a Nissan Skyline GTR R34. It's in white color. We need to change the color, and we have to do it into two colors, and we have to fade it in the middle from the bumper to the bumper. And that car is being owned by Affy Exclusive Autos. As you know, he sells supercars, and he always on YouTube and with officially gas. So that car has a very beautiful history with the drag race. So let's show you the car and then what we're going to do with it. So of course this is the car, and as you can see it's in white color. So one side has to be different color and the other side completely different color as well. And on the engine bay, when we open the engine bay, the engine is already off, so we have to strip it completely, take everything off so we can get it painted properly. And then as well, that side has to be one color and this side has to be one color, and even on the bonnet from inside has to be two colors. And we have to fade it so the paint goes into each other, blend it into each other. So that's like that car. We have painted the engine bay. So even every car has to be exactly the same. Taking everything off, masking it up properly and get it painted. So basically front window screen has to come off, quarters windows has to come off, and the back window screen has to come off. So, and plus the car has to go bare metal. So 2 quarter panels, boot lid, and the roof, 2 doors has to be bare metal. And then when we open the doors, everything from inside has to be changing color. Inside the door as well, we need to change the colors. That Mr. Affy, he just got fed up with that color. The car is very clean, no dents on it, no scratches, no issues. But he just want to change the color. He want to do something special. Nobody has done it yet on the Nissan, the R34. So of course everything has to be stripped, and then we're gonna start on it soon. We're just waiting for the window screen man to come and take the windows for us. And then of course we got here like a Tommy Kyra. We got there, this is my own project. That's going to be an orange color, and that in black one. Then we got the R33 there. There's the Cobra there. So we're looking forward into that car. And then of course guys, I'm going to do we got another bonnet, so we have to do the test on it, and then we're going to show you later on how the color is going to look like. Taking the bumper off. That's the bumper is off at the moment. Okay. Now we're taking the rear bumper off. Okay, what we're doing now, on the edges, we're going bare metal with the sand machine, because we don't want to disturb the paint from inside when we start using the paint stripper. We don't want to disturb it because it's absolutely perfect and nice and clean. We're just doing the edge now. The reason is we're doing the edge and then we mask it, so we don't want to get that disturbed. So that's what we do, about 3 centimeters all around the panels.
So when we put the paint stripper, we just put it around here, because once the paint stripper goes in here, that we're gonna destroy the inside, and the which is inside is absolutely perfect and nice, and this is like a genuine paint, original paint. So we really we don't want to disturb it. So that's why the reason we grinding from the sides bare metal, and then paint stripper we just apply it on the middle of the panel. So now what we're doing, we're scratching the paint like this side. So we have to scratch it properly. So when you put the paint stripper goes into the paint, and it will be easier to bubble up and then sunk inside it, and it will be easier to scrape it and make all the paint stripper goes properly, and within no time it start bubble. So now it's time to apply the paint stripper. We have to put extra, so a little bit won't help, so we have to put proper and big amount. So now you can see this side we have already put the paint stripper and start bubbling, and now we need to scrape it, and then of course we have to put again paint stripper and scrape it again till we go bare metal. So definitely we go together step by step what we're doing. So now we're scraping the paint. It's already bubbled and it's ready to eat. It's ready to take off. And then of course we have to do another coat and another coat till we go bare metal. So that's how we go bare metal into the panels. This is the nicest and not the quickest, but it's safe for the panels, for the metal. Some people they heat it up, which is make ripply and all that. So this is the best way to go bare metal into the restoration.